Today's writing procrastination is repairing a control on my wife's scissor lift. Specifically, this thing right here. A little bit of backstory. My wife she bought a scissor lift, an electric scissor lift, to help with the renovation of a building. Recently, when the scissor lift is going up, it's been going in a jerky manner. Let's go see if it works. There she is, the scissor lift. My wife calls her Little Red. We're gonna call that a win. That's enough procrastination for today. Got to get back to writing.